guys, it's another vlog today, but that's my brother. I know why you're bored. I'm going outside. I'm going outside because I can't hear nothing, bro. Well, we're inside, and actually we're on my vlog channel. We're like watching videos, and we're like looking at them, like, cause I made a video like saying looking at my brother's fucked up videos. So we're watching that right now. Yeah. So that's why I posted it on the freaking TV. And then you see whatever I posted on YouTube. This is my little cousin, hey, Josiah. But they're watching it. Yeah, let's go inside and watch it. Bro, they're like freaking laughing a lot.
You just said you roasted Oscar. What are you doing? He's roasting him, but you don't use
Bro, this is funny.
I think I lied for you. I think I died.
Let's go, Lightning. Wow, this is funny. No, but you freaking messed up your leg cause my brother, he went like this.
You're live, right?
Yeah.
This is how you used to do. You're supposed to do a live video. Talk to the camera. Don't do this. Talk like this. Like this.
I go like
that. Don't do this. Walk like that. Am I live? Oh hell no! You're very rich.
That was my Theo, Edro. He's a DJ.
Don't do that. Watch, right here.
Really?
Just like I said right now.
Boy. Oh.
What the heck? Do that one, don't what? Oscar, that one was funnier. That one.
I already did play this.
With me?
No, you didn't.
Oh, bro.
Not you, Peggy.
No.
Hey, don't be saying that word.
Now they're gonna have to look at my videos.
Vlogging wrong. What the
I go like this.
With your screen like this.
I can't, cause it's looking at you. I would just go like this. You can't.
Turn the camera.
You can't.
Look, Reggie. Look, watch.
You don't push that, cause it's gonna stop the video.
He follows all the people I have. All my fans, he got to all the people he
Oh
follows.
really? Are your fans? Oh,
Who cares?
All the fans. What about it? He gets them all from me. He knows everybody because of me. Really?
really,
All your
Ariana?
fans? Fans? Like that girl. Oh, I have to keep it kicked.
Bro.
Just do something with that.
Okay.
And then we start roasting him.
Oh my gosh.
Look like you know.
Right here, ready to start roasting him.
Now they're roasting me, but I did it.
Why are you in the restroom in the first place?
Huh?
Hey guys, next time do a video roasting Chuitos.
Yeah, I'm gonna roast you. I'm gonna roast him.
Boy, no.
You have Chuitos?
Oh yeah, this is good. This is cool.
Many times.
That's my friend Carlos. Follow him on YouTube.
Still recording? Yeah, he's still recording. His name is T-Music_2129.
Yellow boy.
My dad, I Matthew.
No Oscar, no que sí.
No, es que nos pusieron en cámara de... ¿Cómo se dice?
Look at us. Watch what happens right here. This is we're looking at us. Chris, what happens right here? Look at us on that one.
This
Look.
game,
Look right here.
bro.
Look at watch. It goes right to there.
What the heck?
It just go back to some reason.
¿Sabes, cabrón? Me regañó mi jefa. ¿Qué? ¿Por qué no, cabrón? ¿Por qué no
He probably took him back to there because he was like swiping it up and down.
Why do you like Ariana Grande?
Yo sí le dije, no me pensé a robar, jefa. ¿Por qué? Pues tú me dijo, cabrón, lo que tiene usted. Oh my god. Alright, kid, that's enough black music for today.
Oh, come on. You're about to start roasting him right now.
That's enough, cause for real. Bro. Yeah, I posted it to YouTube.
I have more subscribers. You guys know why? I want you. I have more than both of you. I have like 20.
Cars 3.
See? You can go outside. Alright, so if you guys want to come to this house right now, like I know a lot of people that like live in this place. And it's close to Mulcahy School, and I really want to go to that school, but I can't because I don't live close. And what's it called? I live in California, like always, and it's freaking cold outside. That's why, like, when I'm talking, a lot of smoke comes out of my head.
Hey, Christian's next suspect to roast is Krishan. You roasting Krishan next?
Like, a lot of smoke comes out of my mouth.
We're roasting Krishan next, bro. Krishan, if you're watching this video, we're roasting you next, bro. We're making diss tracks, not kidding, bro.
Diss tracks. What the heck? What are you guys watching?
That's Cars 3, making the Cars.
Oh,
No, es en YouTube.
Cars 3?
Son los comerciales de la abajo de la nota.
Yeah, I think they are actually making a new Cars 3. Yeah.
We're gonna roast you.
Dang, bro, my camera is heck up blurry. Because when I'm inside the house, like in places, it looks blurry. So, but when I go outside, like in the evening or in the morning, it looks nice. Cause my Samsung's supposed to be a nice camera.
What?
What the fuck? There's like a lot of
your live channel right now.
there's like a lot of people that are freaking. Yeah, I'm gonna post this to YouTube. You can go on this live. No, don't do nothing because you can't press both of these buttons. Yeah, but when you press that button, it pauses, like it stops. You're not recording. Like all of these people, I bet you these people are drunk. Drunk. Oh, dang! Oh, yeah! It like love to me. Straight up to my face. Dang, look at that shit.
Damn, boy, where'd you find that? Damn, son, where'd you find that?
Today's fun. Today's so fun. Yeah, so I'm just kidding. Bro, look at that. Dang. It's like epic. It's like epic fails. But like the boat fell over.
Hey, I've been just doing for you can finally make 30 minutes or more.
Yeah, like 40 minutes.
Hey, Oscar, you want to say something?
Valiendo, madre.
And then
You want to say something, Oscar? Keep the camera on your face at all times. Don't look at
and then one thing that I like.
Come on. No, to the floor. Dummy. It's a freaking beer.
And one thing that I like about this now is just that
Oh, you fag.
I freaking verified my account, and then it makes my vlogs longer now. That's better. Like all the way
Wait,
to
how long were you able to put him at?
1 hour.
How long can you put him on, nigger?
Like I made my account, like I verified it, and then it makes me make it like longer now, like all the way to 1 hour. Like when I do a gameplay, or I just make a long vlog. Cause we're gonna go to the snow, and I want to make a vlog too. That looks fun. And it's so cold outside, so I'm gonna stay inside.
Ya ponte tu suéter.
Oh, alright. We're leaving. So, how much minutes is it? 11. So, yeah, we're leaving, guys, but this is the end of the vlog, and
No.
yes, it is.
Nigga. How much minutes was it? 13.
11.
It's supposed to be like 23 minutes.
No,
All his videos at least.
because you started it all over. You started my vlog all over, so I have to do it again. Yes, you did. You pressed the box thing. Yeah, so we're leaving, and I'll be making the vlog at the snow. That'll be fun. And make sure you follow me on Instagram or Snapchat. It's OscarDS312. Instagram, that's my name for Instagram. Snapchat, it's Oscar312. Yeah, right. So you guys heard that? You guys need to search that up on Snapchat or Instagram. Also, I have these gameplays on like Roblox because I like that game. Roblox is fun. Follow me on that. It's Jazzy Killer Clowns 2121. And I'll see you next.
No. And follow me too. What was it called again? Best 18-9er fan. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Beat Up Split. What's your guys' YouTube name? Shut the fuck up.
Oh my gosh.
If you guys didn't get that, Best 18-9er fan.
Alright, I'm gonna be ending the vlog, so I'll see you guys next time. Peace.